students, let us solve the next MCQ number 10. A seconds pendulum is suspended in a space laboratory orbiting at a height r from Earth's surface. The period of pendulum will be option A आहे 0, option B आहे 2√3 सेकंड, ऑप्शन सी आहे 2 सेकंड, ऑप्शन डी आहे इनफाइनाइट. राइट. So when seconds pendulum is suspended in a space, the time period of a seconds pendulum is given by t is equals to 2 pi under root l upon g minus a. But when the simple pendulum is in a satellite, its centripetal acceleration is equals to acceleration due to gravity. So that means A is equals to G. So T is equals to 2 pi under root L upon G minus G. It becomes 0. Right? So T is equals to infinity. So when the simple pendulum is in the orbiting satellites, its time period is infinite. So option D is the correct option. Now let's solve the next MCQ number 11. A simple pendulum has a spherical empty bob of mass 50 gram. So M1 is equals to 50 gram. Its period is 2 seconds. So T1 is equals to 2 seconds. Now the bob is replaced by another solid bob of same radius, but mass is 100 gram. So M2 is equals to 100 gram. So the new time period T2, that is we have to find out. Now we know the time period of the seconds pendulum. T is equals to 2 pi under root L upon G. That means time period is directly proportional to the under root of length. Time period is inversely proportional to the under root of acceleration due to gravity. Now in this example, mass is changes but length is remains constant. G remains constant. जर का L आणि G मध्ये कोणताही जर का डिफरन्स नसेल तर टाइम पिरियड शुड बी कॉन्स्टंट. टाइम पिरियड हा कॉन्स्टंट असायला पाहिजे. ऑल्सो फ्रॉम धिस एक्सप्रेशन वी कॅन से दॅट द टाइम पिरियड इज इंडिपेंडंट ऑफ दी मास अँड ॲम्प्लिट्यूड. त्यामुळे जरी मास चेंज झालेला असला तरी टाइम पिरियड मात्र कॉन्स्टंट राहील अँड दॅट टाइम पिरियड T इज इक्वल्स टू असेल 2 सेकंड. सो टाइम पिरियड T2 is equals to 2 seconds. So students, next we will solve the MCQ number 12. MCQ number 12 बघा. The mass and diameter of a planet are twice those of the earth. Mass सांगितलेला आहे प्लॅनेट्सला. M dash is equals to 2m, R dash is equals to 2r. The period of oscillation of a pendulum on this planet, if it is a seconds pendulum on earth, means earth वरती हा seconds pendulum आहे. So T is equals to 2 सेकंड. तर प्लॅनेट वरती टाइम पिरियड आहे त्याचा आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. टी डॅश आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. So as we know, acceleration due to gravity g is equals to gm upon r square, where m is the mass of the earth, r is the radius of the earth and g is the gravitational constant. So for the planet, g dash is equals to g upon m dash upon r dash square. Okay. Give equation number 1, equation number 2. Now divide this two equation by equation 1. So g dash upon g is equals to g dash आहे g m dash upon r dash square multiply by हे उलटून गुणिले करूया आपण r square upon g m. Okay. Now g get cancelled with g, so we will get g dash upon g is equals to m dash r square upon r dash square upon m. Now m dash ची value आहे 2m, so 2m into r square upon r dash ची value आहे 2r, त्याचा स्क्वेअर होईल 4r square into m. Now this m get cancelled, r square get cancelled, 2 to the 4. So g dash upon g is equals to 1 by 2. G dash upon g is equals to 1 by 2. Now time period of the seconds pendulum on the earth t is equals to 2 pi under root n upon g. Right? Now time period of the seconds pendulum on the planet t dash is equals to 2 pi under root n upon g dash. Right? Now divide these two equations, equation number 3, equation number 4. So divide these two equations, so we will get t upon t dash is equals to 2 pi under root L upon G divided by 2 pi under root L upon G dash. 2 pi get cancelled, L is also get cancelled. So we will get t upon t dash is equals to under root G dash upon G. Okay, we will get g dash under root g dash upon g. So let us put the value of g dash upon g in this equation. Time period of the seconds pendulum 2 असेल upon t dash is equals to under root. बघा g dash upon g ची व्हॅल्यू आहे 1 upon 2. सो ती व्हॅल्यू आपण इथे पुट केलेली आहे 1 upon 2 by taking inverse on both side. So t dash upon 2 is equals to under root हे होईल 2 upon 1. So t dash is equals to t dash is equals to होईल मग 2 under root 2. So this is the time period of the seconds pendulum on the planet 2 under root 2. So option B is the correct option. Now students, let us see the next MCQ number 13. MCQ number 13. See, the length of a simple pendulum is increased by 44%. Length increase केलेली आहे. So L2 is equals to L1 plus 44% of L1. Okay. So this is L1 plus 44 upon 100 L1. क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय करून घेऊयात आपण. सो इट बिकम्स 100 L1 प्लस L1 upon 100. So it becomes 144 L1 upon 100. So now next we will get 1.44 L1. So L2 is equals to 1.44 L1. L2 is equals to 1.44 L1 आपल्याला मिळालेलं आहे. So we have to find out the percentage increase in a time period. We have to find out the percentage increase in a time period. So options दिलेले आहेत. A ऑप्शन आहे 11%, B ऑप्शन आहे 20%, C ऑप्शन आहे 44% and D ऑप्शन आहे 30%. So students, let us start how to solve this. As we know, time period is directly proportional to the under root of length. Time period is directly proportional to the under root of the length. From this we can write T1 upon T2 is equals to under root L1 upon L2. T1 upon T2 is equals to under root L1 upon L2. So let us put the values. T1 upon T2 is equals to under root L1 upon L2 ची value आहे 1.44 L1. Right? Now L1 get cancel. So आपल्याला काय मिळेल मग T1 upon T2 अंडर रूट मध्ये 1.44 आहे. सो ते स्क्वेअर रूट मधून बाहेर आल्यावर होईल 1.2. सो T1 upon T2 is equals to 1 upon 1.2. सो T2 is equals to आपल्याला मिळेल T2 is equals to आपल्याला मिळेल 1.2 T1. Now we have to find out the percentage increase in a period. Okay, we have to find out the percentage increase in a period. So percentage increase in a period is equals to आहे change in a period, that is T2 minus T1 upon original time period T1 into 100. Okay. Now we know the value of T2, that is equals to 1.2 T1. So put this value. So we will get 1.2 T1 minus T1 upon T1 into 100. Okay. So let us solve this. 1.2 T1 upon T1 minus T1 upon T1 into 100. So this T1 get cancelled. So remaining 1.2 minus 1 into 100. So now 1.2 minus 1 is equals to 0.2 into 100. Now 0.2 into 100, that becomes 20. So 20% is the increase in a time period when the length is increased by 44%. So option B is the correct option. So students, let us solve the next MCQ number 14. MCQ number 14. The period of simple pendulum is doubled. The period of simple pendulum is doubled when option A आहे बघा, its length is doubled. B option आहे its length is halved. C option आहे the length is made 4 times आणि D option आहे mass of the bob is doubled. Now students, as we know, the time period of seconds pendulum is directly proportional to the under root of length. Now, if we want double the time period, then we have to increase the length by 4 times. So, option C, the length is made 4 times is the correct option. Now, let us see the next MCQ number 15. If the lift moves up or down with uniform speed, then the time period of pendulum. Option A आहे increases, B option there will be no effect, option C आहे decreases आणि option D आहे cannot be predicted. Okay. Now when the lift is moving in upward direction, time period आहे T is equals to 2 pi under root L upon G plus A. When the lift is moving in a downward direction, त्यावेळेस time period आहे T equals to 2 pi under root L upon G minus A. But if the lift is moving with the uniform speed, then the acceleration is equals to 0. So time period T is equals to 2 pi under root L upon G. That means there will be no effect on the time period when the lift is moving with the constant speed in a upward direction or in a downward direction. So option B is the correct option. सो स्टुडंट्स, आज आपण सिंपल पेंडुलमवरचे एवढे MCQ बघितलेले आहेत. थँक्यू स्टुडंट्स.